Let's install the mobile app on our device by navigating to our device app store and searching for the Total Voice app and installing it. Next, type in the username and password that you received in the welcome email from STL Communications and press the blue login button on the app. There will then be a series of prompts asking for permission. This prompt is asking for permission to send you alerts and use sounds and icons to notify you of activity in the app. Please press the Allow button. The next prompt is unique to iPhones and iPads and asks if you would like to use the Total Voice app with the Siri feature on your device. Please make your selection and move to the next prompt. The next prompt asks if you want your personal contacts on your mobile device to be included in the Total Voice app. Be careful here. Once you've made your choice, the only way to undo it is to start over by uninstalling the app and reinstalling it. In most cases, you probably want to select Don't Allow on this prompt. The last prompt in the install asks for access to your microphone. You must select OK or you will not be able to have audible conversations with another party. That's it. You've successfully installed the Total Voice app.